great news. We prepared really great news for you. So the IT sector is now knocked down because biotech breaks the record of 2018. And if you remember that in 2018, it became obvious that companies and IT companies and internet companies have passed their peak, and the shares of IT companies and corporations in internet sector will never grow as fast as they grew before. And suddenly it turned out to be that Apple cannot increase sales of smartphones for forever. So it has been doing that, the company has been doing that for a long time, but in 2018 we saw the decrease, and then Facebook was losing the young audience, while Snap, which seems to have been capturing it, is losing the depth and the viewing time. So the data leak of famous social network also added more negative in this situation. And investors even then concluded that just a second. Investors even then concluded that the shares of IT and internet sector will never grow so quickly, and turned their tight wallets towards biotechnology and pharmacology market. So the biotechnology company, which listed in United States, have held their IPOs for a total of 9.4 billion since the beginning of this year of 2021. Imagine this. And it already has increased the record volume of 6.5 billion recorded in back in 2018. These are great numbers. It's almost 50% plus to this um, enormous quantity of money. So biotech stocks gained an average of 34% in 2021 on the first day of trading after IPO. So the best performance for sector it was ever since the tech boom in 2000, as Wall Street Journal writes. Interest in shares of biotechnology companies goes much beyond IPO, as expert says. And the Nasdaq Biotechnology Index has jumped 13% since the beginning of the year, 13%, while the S&P 500 is up only 3.7%. Investors are buying up shares in companies developing vaccines against COVID-19, and they are betting that public investment in biotech sector will grow more and more. So, mind you that UFG company is one of them. So, talking about one of them, and one of the example of the high expectation of investors is Moderna Incorporated, which develops oncological drugs. And now the company is developing the anti-COVID vaccine, and the company's capitalization, which was about $7 billion at the beginning of this year, is now approaching 30 billion. Is 4 times more. This is a great numbers. This is statistic, so you can check, you can double check. And the company just 3 years ago, in 2018, the year of the growth of biotechnology vaccine, company held the high-profile IPO, selling shares for over $500 million. Just 3 years passed, and it's already capitalization reaching 30 billion dollars. This is a great numbers. I love these numbers. I love these numbers. So, as we are considering the growing negative factors in the field of ecology. Depletion and weathering of fertile soil and increase in pesticide containing food products, also increase in the world's population and addiction to antibiotics because of constant mutation of the virus and etc. And remember, I told you that one of our webinar, I told you that there is, or there are more than 50,000 different diseases in the world, and they are mutating, and the drugs that were sold before and developed before are not that effective anymore. So this all leaves you no reason to hope that for an improvement in the average indication of human health. So this is why the global biotechnological, oh, hold on, I lost it. I lost it. Biotechnological and pharmaceutical markets will actively develop in coming years, and it's much more interesting sector than IT for sure. That's why for investors this is one of the most profitable niches, which with maximum profitability and relatively low investment risk. We all understand that. You wrote. You read the article. So it is expected that the growth of the market of total volume in the upcoming years will be between 8 and 23% every year. 8 Between 8 and 23%. This is the great numbers. So for large investors, this is an opportunity to large investment with high margins. And medium and small investors can pay attention to profitable project in the periphery in indirectly related to pharmaceuticals as well as franchises of the sector. For instance, our company, UFG, uh, and its development are available for portfolio for small private investors right now. And we are preparing for preclinical trials of our oncological drugs. We've been working since last year, so this is the second year we're developing it. And this investment startup looks very profitable. Such an investment really looks very profitable due to unique properties of the drug that we're developing. And this drug has absolutely no single analog in the market, and it has never been introduced to the market before. Therefore, investors' interest in UFG is constantly growing, and the number of company shares is constantly decreasing. Therefore, there are literally a few months left until the end of the investment stage, and the large investor is likely to appear, and which perhaps UFG will no longer be available for private investment in this case. What does it mean? That we are at the investment stage 8, and very soon enough our company will attract the much bigger investor who will buy all the shares that left for investment for others of the others investment stages. So in this case, of course, you will not be able to buy any shares anymore. So, and you will be left with what you have right now. What else would I like to share with you is that why am I insisting so much? Why are we looking so promising? Why our investment looks so promising? So we have some new results of in direction of development of AstroMelanin. We have really great numbers. We have cultivated strains and obtained from it 10 liters of Nigra suspension and 10 liters of Alkalophilus suspension, and which gave us a great result on the grams of purified primary melanin, Nigro, and melanin from Alkalophilus. We have found out that starting from the fourth extraction, For the both strains, there is a sharp decrease in antioxidant activity shown by electron paramagnetic resonance. So, also using this method, more than high antioxidant activity in the strains was confirmed. So more than high that what we saw. The result is 10 raised to the power of 19 spins per gram. And this dimension is used when we talk about antioxidant activity. And this figure this numbers is the highest to date of all known of strains of fungi. So we also examined these samples and established the probable structure of melanins by solid phase spectroscopy, nuclear magnetic resonance. And it should be noted that our data correlates very well with the literature sources that we have published before in our open sources. And moreover, the water-soluble forms of melanin have been prepared for research on anti-cancer activity in cancer cells cultures. So now in December, we are preparing for in vitro and in vivo tests. And after that, preparation for preclinical studies will begin, which will also attract many attention of investors who really invest good money in biotech already. So therefore, the company is giving you fantastic opportunity, and for Christmas, you have great packages which comes with present. Here you are. You can see now the special Christmas packages, and it is $500 package, $2,000 package, and $5,000 package. 25% discount, and your gift is waiting for you in $500 package. 35% discount and the gift is in $2,000 package, and $5,000 package has 50% of discount and the gift. Let's talk about it a bit more closely. Let's have a look. So if you buy it has to be one time payment, no installments. For these three packages that we have, and you can buy them for Christmas as a Christmas present to yourself. It should be like New Year investment for you and your family. So this first package of $500 has gift as a 3 bottles of fantastic Rusich balm. As you know, the course is 3 bottles. So company presented to you as a Christmas gift the whole course of these bottles. And also, if you would like to purchase Russisch balm for your family, friends, or whoever near you and for your loved ones, you have 25% discount on this on the balm, and the company will return some amount for delivering the bottles, so for cargo or logistic services. So also you have one branded t-shirt from UFG, from United Financial Group, and it has logo and it has our style as well. So one t-shirt you can be proudly wearing. And so the next one is $2,000 package. It has 35% discount on the purchases in store, online store, when you can buy our Russisch balm, and 35% discount. Plus you have 2 branded t-shirt of UFG and 12 bottles 12 bottles of Russisch Balm will come for you freely of charge. This is the present of the company to you. This is a gift, and mind you that some part of logistic services from the present will be paid by the company. This is also one-time payment. If you will buy the package of $5,000, then you get 50% discount for the online store to buy Russisch Balm. Plus, you have a gift of 27 bottles of fantastic balm. This is for 9 people to become healthy with the balm. Because it restarts your immune system in the large front. So also you have 4 brand t-shirt from United Financial Group, which you can wear happily and proudly. So these are what we're talking now. These are about one-time payment purchase. And there is also, where did it go? All right. There is also um, sorry there is also the packages that you can buy with installments. And first of all, this is our one of the famous and favorite $1,000 pack, which 25% discount, and you can use it for 3 months for the purchasing the Russisch Balm. Plus, you have 1 brand T-shirt of United Financial Group. This is the gift. If you buy in installments the $3,000 pack, you have 35% discount in the online store, and your gift will be 3 branded t-shirts of United Financial Group. And in case you would like to buy $5,000 pack, you have 50% discount in the store for Russisch Balm. This all go for Russisch Balm, and the gift, which is 4 branded t-shirts from United Financial Group that you can be proudly wearing. Why am I saying that $1,000 pack is the most famous? Because, as you know, we are going to bring to the market our product, which is drug for oncology treatment. And the best part of it, as I mentioned just before, that we are getting ready for preclinical trials and going for in vitro and in vivo tests very soon in December. And this is a great chance for you to participate in this thing, in investment, and invest right now for you to be able to get your dividends later on. Because this, as we were saying on the previous webinars, if we will be merging with the company and our development will be valued in $8 billion, and 100% of the shares that all of us hold will get the dividends. And this pack, which has 118,000 shares, this pack has, will receive almost $400,000, not 40, $400,000 as a return of the investment. This is what is going to be. This is why it's our favorite. Of course, if you will buy the $3,000 pack, it doesn't mean that you will receive 1.2 million. No, you will receive more, much more, because $3,000 pack consists of more shares. There are much more shares inside, so you can check. And if you will not buy it with installment, then you have more of bonus shares that the company gives you. So you have bonuses such as you get your package and you have shares inside. Then there are bonus shares also after you paid all your shares. And mind you that you will receive dividends of the products that we sell and develop. as a shareholder of our company. So plus you have all the other things. And I was asked today in our Telegram chat, if I understood correctly this question, so if the company will merge with another company and with other companies' help, will be developing and bringing AstroMelanin or melanin, how we're gonna call it soon, I don't know yet. So it will bring the anti-cancer drug to the market. So why are we here? What are we doing in the company if we couldn't commercialize anything and so on? So listen, when you are entering the company, you have an agreement, first of all. You have a public offer. It's declared there. Plus, you have the certificate of the shares. You are the shareholder of the company. Of course, company will not sell your shares to the other company who will be merging with. Understand this point? You are already invested with us. So, of course, you will receive the dividends in near future because of the product will be sold. That's how it works. This is how it works. So like that. So this is what company did for you. Plus yesterday it was the decision was taken by Eugene that the new shareholders of United Financial Group will not be participating in dividends of the cells from the balm, the new ones, not you. The date will be announced, but on these packages, no. So this is the last chance for you to be part of this great history that we are developing now. As you know, we have a good marketologs team that works now for us. They created the new brand for Russisch balm. They have made research which is like this thick, or research of the market, how well to present this Russisch balm so everybody will want to buy it. And you still have a chance to get dividends from the sales that will be starting next month. So from the new year, you will have already some money dripping on your dividends part. This is great news. So the also great thing that the other investors who did not participate in the development, in the development of Russisch balm, in the creation of it, in the researches and etc., in branding, who did not invest money while this balm was developed, they will not receive dividends from it. So this is your time to invest and participate and get great dividends. Whew. All right. So, in case of any questions, please contact me via Telegram chat, or you can write your questions here as well in YouTube chat. We are looking through. Don't worry, your questions will be answered. Of course, if it's a proper questions, not an assault of intelligence. And I will see you in 2 weeks. Please stay tuned. And we also have a Facebook channel where you can read the latest news and announcement. So stay tuned. Don't think for a long time because the shares are limited, as you know. And create your bright future today and stay healthy with the United Financial Group. I wish you all the best and all the wealth. So take care, and hugs and kisses, and take care. Bye.